Director General of the Africa Centers for Disease Control and Prevention, Kاسya, has hailed Africa-China cooperation in public health. Kاسya said that the cooperation with China is enabling the Africa CDC, the African Union's specialized healthcare agency, to play its leading role in coordinating disease prevention, surveillance, and control on the continent.
We are so proud as Africans to have this kind of collaboration with China that will help us to push our agenda for global health security.
He said the China-aided reference laboratory, which was inaugurated recently inside the premises of the Africa CDC headquarters in Addis Ababa, is the latest outcome of successful China-Africa cooperation in public health.
This is a game changer in terms of public health in Africa. This lab will serve as the referral lab for Africa. We don't want to see again African countries sending samples out of Africa.
Earlier this year, the Africa CDC inaugurated its China-aided headquarters in the southern suburb of Addis Ababa, equipping the African continent with a stronger public health agency to advance health initiatives and manage public health emergencies.